Word effects let you trigger fun animations in chat with specific words. So in order to create and use word effects, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device and tap on the conversation or the chat that you want to interact with. Now go ahead and tap on this eye icon in the top right corner of the screen. Under the customization section, you'll get 4 different options of theme, quick reaction, nicknames, and word effects. Go ahead and tap on word effects. Now tap on the text box in the bottom and type the word or the phrase that you want to use. And choose the emoji that you want to go with it. Then send. Now in the same chat, type the exact word or phrase you saved and then send the message, and the emoji animation will appear automatically. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.